Alright, in this model is total unchanged. So there are two items. There are pots of orchids and roses, 1/5 as many, and then 44 pots orchids added, 44 pots roses sold. So the total wouldn't change, the total number of pots wouldn't change, but the ratio changed. Okay, so here's how you do this kind of questions. So first, of course, is to recognize that the pattern is total unchanged. Okay, and once you know that, then you label the kinds of items, that they're orchids and roses, and then we put in the total because the total is not changed. So that's why the total is here. And then we fill in the ratio. 1/5 as many orchids as roses. Total is 6. After that, orchids to roses became 3:4. Total is 7. So to make 6 and 7 the same number, because the total is not changed, so the total in this number of 6 and 7, it must be the same number, right? So to make 6 and 7 the same, we're going to multiply this by 7, and so this must also multiply by 7 because it's a ratio, and then these multiplies by 6. That will give me 42 everywhere at the top and bottom. This makes 35, this makes 24, 7, and 18. Great. So next is to relate the number of units to the number of pots. So 44 pots of orchids added, so 7 to 18 was adding of 11 units. So 11 units would make the 44 pots. How many pots of roses were there at first? Roses at first is this number over here. We have to use the 35 to find the answer. So after you find 1 unit, look for 35 units. The reason why you must use 35 and not this 5 is because you got to use the row that has 42 as the total, because the total was not changed.